How to deactivate X Twitter account temporarily. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your X application. Now what you're gonna do next is here it will lead your homepage, right? And tap on your profile here and then go to settings and support on the bottom part and tap on settings and privacy. Now, what you're going to do next is to choose your account. And the very last option here, you'll see four options, right? The very last option is where you can see deactivate your account. To find out how you can deactivate your account, click on that and read through that. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is to tap on deactivate account and it will ask for a password and then just type or fill out your password there and tap on deactivate to successfully deactivate your account. Now, the thing here is to be able to deactivate your account, your X account temporarily, is you have to log into it after or before that account reaches 30 days of being deactivated, because after 30 days of the account being deactivated it will automatically be or permanently be deleted. So make sure to open your account less than a month, deactivate your Twitter account temporarily, and basically that is it. And that is how you deactivate your X Twitter account temporarily. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.